Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have another review, again brought to you by Ettore. They sent these out for review. So today we are rocking the 18-inch super channel, and you might be asking, well, what do you need a super channel for? So this one is more designed for commercial work, and I believe, for me at least, for straight pulls. So fanning is always fun and easy to do, but sometimes you're gonna want to just do straight pulls. So what you want to do, so this one has, so let's get into it real quick. So this one is also, you saw my last video, it is another quick change one. I mean a quick release, and it pops right into this channel here, into the channel, and then just like that. This one is also rocking again, this is the super channel right here. Boom. It does have brass end clips as well. And like I said, so why you would want to use this, in my opinion, is mostly for commercial work, because this channel is super thick and it's very sturdy. Like, you couldn't bend this if you wanted to, unless you're that dude on YouTube that's super into bending and breaking stuff. But yeah, and then this rubber is super sharp, it's super clean. The straight pulls with this is just out of this world. Like, it's so good. Like I said, I mostly only use this for commercial work, and it's only for my storefronts where I'm just doing straight pulls. This one right here won't flex, it won't bend, nothing. And then it also comes with this quick release rotating head. So the only thing about this one, unless I'm doing something wrong, which I don't think I am, this head is not fixed. So this is what I'm saying. If you're gonna use this with this, you want to do straight pulls with this, because when I tried fanning with this, it was cool until I got to a certain point. The handle moved and it messed up my fan, because I didn't want it to move, and I wasn't expecting it to move. So yeah, so that's what I'm saying. This is mostly, in my opinion, the way I use it is straight pull. So if you need to get a 90 degree because you're trying to get into some tight spaces, straight pull. And then you could do the rest like this, or you can go this way. But like I said, this channel is really cool. If you are looking into getting this, or you want to try this out, I just definitely recommend. This is mostly going to be for commercial work. You could use it for residential, there's no problem, like I'm saying, but your benefit, you're not going to be getting the full benefit of this sturdy channel. So if you want to give this one a try, I'll have the links down below. And yeah, like I said, this one was just really good. This review is pretty straight to the point. There's not much else I can really say about this, in my opinion. I'm just telling you my use case for it, and why I think you will need it, and why, if you're looking into getting a super channel, that's pretty much the main benefit of why you're getting this, because this one comes in 24 and I think 30 something length. So I'm not the type of person that's going to be rocking a 20 something or 30 something inch channel, because that's just absurd. I don't care how much time you're saving. You're saving what, 20 seconds maybe? Like, it's not that serious. So yeah, so if you saw, just like I can't praise this handle enough, and the quick release enough, like I did with my other one. So if you like this one, check it out. I'll have the links down below. I'll have two different suppliers, an East Coast one and a West Coast one. Doesn't matter which one you choose. If you choose to buy from me, or you choose to buy from my links, go ahead. And yeah, so check it out. Check out the super channel, and try it for yourself. All right, until the next one. Peace.